Well, hello there, I'm Jordi from Jordinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we are making the famous teeth-breaking candied grapes. For the ingredients you need: sugar, water and grapes. You can use white or red ones, it depends on which you like more. You also need a thermometer and some wooden skewers. In a small saucepan, add the sugar and the water. Put this on a low heat. The water will slowly evaporate, leaving a nice sugar syrup. In the meanwhile, prepare your grapes. Insert a wooden skewer into each grape, so you can use it to dip it in the sugar syrup in a later stage. Make sure the sugar syrup reaches a temperature of around 150 degrees Celsius. I also grabbed a piece of carton and poked little holes in it for each grape to stand in. When the sugar syrup is ready, grab a grape and dip it into the syrup. Be careful because it is very hot. Put it into the little hole of the cardboard and let it cool down completely. Repeat this step for all your grapes. While they are cooling down, admire your dog or whatever you want to admire. Once they are cooled down, they should sound like little rocks. I also made one with a very thick coating just for the fun of it. I couldn't even break it. And that's it. This was a fun recipe, right? Alright, please be careful with the sugar because it is very warm and it will burn the out of you. Really, it happened to me already, so please be careful. But I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Let me know down in the comments what you want to see next, and I'll see you in the next one.